Now let's say fractions are unlike fractions. It means their denominators are not same. I'm taking an example, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. You have to add as well as subtract these two fractions. Now these fractions are not like fractions, their denominators are not same. So first step will be convert them into like fractions. सबसे पहले आप इसे like fractions में convert करोगे by making their denominator same. Now how can we make the denominator same? The same method you use to find equivalent fractions. Thing, you will find the LCM of these two denominators. LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. So now next step is to convert their denominator from 4 to 12. Now 3 by 4 into, by which number you will multiply 4 to get 12? 3. So by same number you have to multiply the numerator also. So it will be 9 by 12. Same with this fraction also, 5 by 6. By which number you will multiply 6 to get 12? 2. So it will be 10 by 12. Now you have two like fractions. You can add and subtract them by the previous method I told you. Now third step. Let's say first you have to add them. The 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12. Now denominators are same. So you can write 12 in the denominator and add the numerators. So it will be 19 by 12. Again it is an improper fraction. So you can convert it into mixed fraction. So it will be 1 integer 7 upon 12. This is the answer. Now if you have to subtract them, for 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12, again you will write denominator as 12. In numerator you will write 10 minus 9, which is equals to 1 by 12. So answer is 1 upon 12. I'll be doing 1 or 2 parts. You will solve rest of the parts in your notebook. I'll be solving this question by two methods. Both the methods are correct. You can follow any of these two methods. First one is, these two are unlike fractions. So first you have to convert them into like fractions. First you will find the LCM of 8 and 3. LCM of 8 and 3 will be 24. It means you have to convert the denominators to 24. So 6 by 8 into, we'll multiply this by 3. So 6 3s are 18 by 24. 1 by 3, you have to convert it into 24. So multiply it by 8. 8 by 24. Now you can subtract them. 18 by 24 minus 8 by 24. It will be equal to 18 minus 8, that is 10 by 24. Now 10 by 24 is having common factor 2. It means you can do the cutting. It will be 5 upon 12. So answer is 5 upon 12. This is first method. Now second, 6 by 8. You know that 6 by 8 is already having a common factor, that is 2. So in first step only you can do the simplification. 6 by 8 can be written as 3 by 4. So now the question will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. In the first step only you have done the simplification. Now see, LCM of 4 and 3, the rest of the method is same. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So now you have to change the denominators to 12. 3 by 4 into, we'll multiply this by 3, 9 by 12, 1 by 3 into 4 by 4, it will be 4 by 12. Now you can subtract 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12, 9 minus 4 by 12, 9 minus 4 is 5 by 12. So you have got the same answer. In this part we have 3 fractions, but the process will be same method you have to use जो हमने 2 fractions के लिए किया था. Now these are unlike fractions. It means first you have to convert them into like fractions. Like fractions के लिए पहला step क्या होता है? You have to find the LCM. LCM of these 3 numbers. तो LCM कैसे find करते हैं? 3, 4, 2. First so LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now you have to convert the denominators to 12. So first fraction is 2 by 3. We'll multiply this by 4 by 4. It will be 8 by 12. Next is 3 by 4. Multiply this by 3 by 3. You will get 9 by 12. Next is 1 by 2. Multiply this by 6 by 6. You will get 6 by 12. Now you can add these fractions. 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12 plus 6 by 12. Denominator is same. You just have to add the numerators. Denominator common लिख दो. In numerator 8 plus 9 plus 6. 23 by 12. Second question. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon. Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What was the total length? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. You have to add both the fractions. Now they both are unlike fraction. Convert them into like fractions. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 2 by 5 will be 4 by 4 is equals to 8 by 20. 3 by 4 into 5 by 5, 15 by 20. Now you can add them. 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20 is equals to 8 plus 15. It will be equal to 23 by 20. The units are meters. You can convert them into mixed fraction also. Naina was given 1 integer 1 by 2 piece of cake. Najma was given 1 integer 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake given. You have to add both the fractions. First you will convert them into improper fractions and then you will add them. So do this question yourself. Now next is fourth question. You have to fill in the boxes. Fractions are unlike fractions. So you can't say directly by looking at them that what will be the denominator here. How will you find the denominator? Again, first thing you will find the LCM. Now these two fractions are given. It means LCM of 5 and 2 will be 10. So this fraction denominator will be 10. Now if denominator of this fraction is 10, it means you have to convert this fraction also to like fraction. So 1 by 5, you have to convert the denominator to 10. So you will multiply this by 2. So it will be 2 by 10. 1 by 2. Again you have to convert the denominator to 10. So multiply by 5. 5 by 10. So now I am writing all of these fractions again. 1 by 5 can be written as 2 by 10. 5 by 10 instead of 1 by 2. Now you can find the numerator. By which number you will subtract 2 so that you get 5? 7. So answer is 7 upon 10. In this question, again LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. So convert all the fractions so that their denominators are 6. अब इस fraction के लिए denominator मिल गया हमें, that is 6. 1 by 2 can be multiplied by 3 by 3 to get 3 by 6. So instead of 1 by 2 I can write 3 by 6 is equal to, अब इस fraction में already denominator is 6, so we don't have to do anything. So now which number will be subtracted from 3 to get 1? 2. So fraction is 2 by 6. We can further simplify also this fraction. 2 by 6 after simplification will be 1 upon 3. So answer is 1 upon 3. This question is very important. What you have to do in this question is, you have to add while going towards right, and you have to subtract while going downwards. Means जब आप right की तरफ move करोगे तो आप add करोगे, अगर आप नीचे की तरफ move करोगे then you will subtract. I'll start from here. First row, I'm moving towards right. It means I'll start from here. 1 by 2. अब right पे क्या है? 1 by 3. और right पे जब जाएंगे तो क्या करेंगे? Add. तो you have to add them. Is equals to. Here you will write the answer after adding them. अब 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. First you have to make them like fractions. तो आप दोनों का LCM फाइंड करोगे. LCM क्या है? 2 और 3 का 6. So you can make them like fractions with denominator 6. I am doing that step in a single step only. 1 by 2 को 6 में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो I'll multiply by 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. You can do by this method also. जैसे अभी तक हमने किया अलग अलग स्टेप्स में, वैसा भी कर सकते हो. You can do by this method also. Is equal to, it will be 3 by 6 plus this will be 2 by 6. Now 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, दोनों को ऐड करो, you will get 5 by 6. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 5 by 6. अब सेकेंड पे आ जाओ. इस रो में 1 by 3. अब राइट हैंड साइड पे क्या है? 1 by 4. And you have to add while moving towards right. So you have to add both the fractions. First find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. It means convert the denominator to 12. Again I am doing in a single step. 1 by 3 into 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 3 is equals to 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12, which is equals to 7 by 12. So you will write here 7 by 12. You have to fill these 3 boxes now. अब उसके लिए you have to come downwards, है ना? इसके लिए you have to solve these 2 fractions. 1 by 2. अब हम नीचे की तरफ move कर रहे हैं, and if we are moving downwards you have to subtract 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. अब इन दोनों fractions को क्या करेंगे? Subtract. Again LCM is 6. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. It is equals to 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. 1 upon 6. So in this box 1 by 6 will come. अब again you have to solve these 2 boxes to get this one. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equals to, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 1 by 3 into So here it will be 1 upon 12. Now only one box is left. Now you can solve this box by any method. Either you can add these two fractions, you will get the answer, or you can subtract these two fractions and get the answer. Now I am adding these two fractions. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. LCM of 6 and 12 will be 12. So 1 by 6 into 2 by 2 plus 1 by 12. It will be 2 upon 12 plus 1 upon 12, 3 upon 12. Again you can simplify. 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Like this you have to complete the table. A piece of wire 7.8 meter long broke into two pieces. Total length of the wire is 7 by 8 meters. It broke into two pieces. First piece, length of first piece is 1 by 4. What will be the length of the second piece? Second piece की length find करनी है. It means you will subtract the length of first piece from the total one. So length of second piece will be 7 by 8, that is total, minus 1 by 4. Convert them into like fraction. LCM of 4 and 8 will be 8. 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 को 8 में convert करना है. It will be 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8 means 7 minus 2 by 8, that is 5 by 8 meters. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer. How far did she walk? The total distance between her house and the school is 9 by 10 kilometers. The distance covered by the bus is 1 by 2 kilometer and the distance she walked will be, total में से will subtract the distance covered by the bus. So 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Again you have to convert them into like fractions. LCM of 2 and 10 is 10. So it will be 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 5. 9 by 10 minus 5 upon 10, 4 by 10. You can further simplify. It will be 2 upon 5 kilometers. 8th question is same as that of 9th question. I am doing the 9th one. You will do the 8th yourself. Jaydev takes 2 integer 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the ground. How much time Jaydev takes? 2 integer 1 by 5 minutes. First you have to convert them into improper fraction. So 2 integer 1 by 5 will be written as 11 by 5 minutes. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes. Time taken by Rahul is 7 by 4 minutes. Who takes less time and by what fraction? First you have to tell who takes less time. It means you have to compare both the fractions. To compare the fractions, first you have to convert them into like fractions. So LCM of both the denominators are 4 and 5 का LCM is 20. So 11 by 5 into 4 by 4. It is equal to 44 by 20. 7 by 4 into 5 by 5, which is equal to 35 by 20. Now you have to tell who takes less time. It means कौन सी fraction जो है that is smaller. Now 35 is less than 44. It means this fraction 7 by 4 is less than 11 by 5. So 7 by 4 was Rahul's time. It means Rahul takes less time to cover the distance. Now you have to tell by how much time. How much के लिए what you have to do is you have to subtract both the fractions. So 44 by 20 minus 35 by 20. It is equal to 44 minus 35 upon 20, which is equal to 9 upon 20.